Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write a LinkedIn post using AI in just 1 minute. So first of all, go to my video description, then I will attach in my link. You need to just click on here, then log in with your Gmail. This is enough for everything. So just click on created, then again click on write. So just select use cases. Here is the select, you need to select LinkedIn post. Just select LinkedIn post, then select your what type of post you want to generate. So I want to generate, so here is a target audience, so I want to select three variations and creativity high. So writer me, so I need to select this one key message. So I paste this one again, then click on writing. So this is a AI tool, free AI tool. You can write those type of LinkedIn post, blog outline, YouTube video description, etc. But if you want to use this tool for business purposes, you must update your plan here. So I recommend first using free, then if you are having a good understanding about this tool, with this tool then you are going to upgrade. So you can see this AI tool write a long LinkedIn post for me. Are you integrating? Oh, this is really good. So here are the three things. So I want to use first one because of I love first paragraph. If you want to use secondly, thirdly, this is as you mind. So now go to LinkedIn, then post this written article. LinkedIn does not mind about this post because this AI tool write any post like human. So if you want more video to type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have subscribed the channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.